Welcome sa Lutong Inato. Good day everyone, let's cook soup ramen with pork chicharon toppings. Stay tuned and finish the video until the end. These are the ingredients: red onion, ginger, sliced pork belly, spring onion, and Chinese pichay with pancit ramen. First, igisa ang pork sliced belly, and next is the spices. And then let's put 2 to 3 cups of water. And then let's add salt, ground pepper, and aji to taste. Add a little bit of water and mikos again. Then let's add the pancit ramen. Let it cook, and let's put the Chinese pichay and also the spring onion. And put a little bit of sesame oil. Yun. Luto na po ang ating ramen soup with pork chicharon toppings. Yun, no? Sarap-sarap. Thanks for watching. Follow for more videos. Enjoy!